If you're encountering an automation error on Axiom.ai, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or unstable connection can cause automation errors. Step 2. Review your automation script. Go through your automation script to identify any potential errors or misconfigurations. Look for typos, incorrect commands, or missing parameters that could disrupt the process. Step 3. Update Axiom.ai. Make sure you are using the latest version of Axiom.ai. Check for updates and install them, as newer versions often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve errors. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Restart the application. Close Axiom.ai completely and restart it. This can help reset any temporary glitches and may resolve the automation error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the automation error on Axiom.ai efficiently. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Axiom.ai support for further assistance.